Sir Tifficate. Thanks for helping us automate the certificate issuance with ACME and meet the 90-day certificate requirement set by Google. Now our engineers are complaining that they do not want to manually manage their certificates, internal certificates. Can we also use Let's Encrypt for internal certificates?
No! Since Let's Encrypt does domain validation for issuing the certificates, it has no way of knowing if the certificate you are requesting for your internal domain is valid.
So are we stuck with the old way of emailing our PKI team the CSR and managing certificates with spreadsheets?
With EZCA, you can either modernize your existing PKI or create one in the cloud that supports ACME. However, with all its powerful integrations such as Azure Key Vault, self-service rotation of non-web-based certificates, ACME certificates for your client devices, and even EST for IoT devices, ACME might not even be needed. Your certificates renew seamlessly, like magic. You can manage both your private and public certificates from a single dashboard, simplifying the process and enhancing visibility.
But how does EZCA validate my internal domains for ACME if Let's Encrypt can't?
Good question. EZCA allows you to set up internal ACME agents in your networks, allowing them to verify that you do own the internal domain and then sending it up to the CA for issuance.
So I can use the same automation tools such as Nginx and CertBot?
That is correct.
But what about the cost? I have heard that PKI companies charge an arm and a leg.
Many fear the cost of such conveniences. But rejoice, for EZCA. Automation starts at $200 per CA per month, with all the features included. This ensures our security is top-notch, without any hidden charges. Moreover, automation reduces human errors, preventing missed renewals or misconfigurations. And most importantly, it keeps us compliant with the stringent standards set by the Kingdom of Google and beyond.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How can we get started? How many annoying sales calls do I have to go through to just get a demo?
You can start a free trial without ever talking to anyone, just like ACME. Kitos is all about automation and self-service. And if you want to watch a demo, you can watch this video that will show you how easy it is to set up an ACME agent with EZCA.